Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable, or rather how to turn on or turn off app only mode. So by the end of this tutorial, if you follow step by step, you'll be able to turn on or off app only mode on the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's head straight into it. So I'm heading over to my dashboard. And here I'll navigate to the quick settings. I'll go to all settings at the top right of that panel, and now I'm going to navigate down till I find the setting that says accounts and profiles. So here it is. I finally found it. Click in it and you're going to find these options. Choose the account you're going to work with. I'm working with DaveTech, so that's the account. I've clicked on it and I'm going to navigate down onto the bottom of the screen. Here you find app only mode. So what this does is that if you turn this on, it will hide those recommendations from your home screen, alongside with the ability to give feedback on movies or shows or add them to your watch list. So this will give you a cleaner interface and you can access all the apps installed on the device. That's app only mode. If you want it on, just click on this and like that you have it triggered on. Click on this turn on button to confirm it, and there you have app only mode turned on with Onn TV. So if you found that insightful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with more content like this.